very small town right here. New York Hotel. Interesting place. I just had to stop here and gawk at this beautiful area. Wow. Alright guys, so this is pretty shady right now. It's all foggy up here. I'm definitely just climbing right now and I'm feeling the elevation right now, so wow. This is really interesting. We're going downhill. This is pretty fun. Oh man, look at that. Wow. I'm on neutral, guys. Oh my goodness. This is definitely a climb. Wow. Or this is going down. This is a descent now, so this is pretty cool. Very shady. Oh man. Wow. Interesting road here. Holy smokes. Okay. As you can see, here's the other side. This is pretty cool. Oh wow. Really nice. Oh man. This is pretty cool, guys. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Yeah. Wow. This is pretty cool. Oh man. See if the water, wow, the water's clear. Woo! Water's cold. That is amazing. So there's a rafting area here. You can go rafting. This is pretty cool. Look at that. Beautiful. Trinity River. Alright guys, right on the mountain right now. I'm just cooking some soup, and as you can see, it's beautiful out. I'm right by the river, so it's amazing. Look at that beautiful view out here. Just chilling out here, enjoying myself, getting some hot meal and enjoying the beautiful view. cooking my food, and right there is the river. They said there's like, you can, there's salmon here. You can get salmon, but I don't know if it's salmon season. They said until August or something, I don't know. But that's pretty cool though. Look at that. Good morning guys, this is Mil. I'm here and by the river, surprisingly, making some food. And yeah, just chilling and waiting. I'm making some chicken noodle soup, so yeah. And yeah, this is my situation right now. I love it. It's beautiful out here. You know, it's a little bit cold, so I got my little sleeping bag. So yeah, pretty awesome place. I'll show you guys right there. All right guys, cooking our chicken noodle soup and enjoying the view. How you like that? Right in the now I know why they call it rainforest. It's always freaking raining out here. Alright guys. Alright guys, so this is just like descent, so this is really interesting. Really fun, but it's kind of scary because it's raining, so it's kind of shady. So as you can see, my visibility is kind of foggy too, because I guess I'm on the mountain, like on the top of the mountain, so it's the clouds. So yeah, look at that guys. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Oh wow, it's all mountains. Right guys, so I'm on neutral right now. I'm just going down. This is pretty fun, pretty scary too, a little bit. If you don't like zigzag roads and tiny roads, this road might not be for you. You don't want to drive out here. It's kind of scary, but other than that, it's pretty good. It's a descent right now, so guys, pretty foggy here. So we're about Blue Lake, 11 miles away. Hello guys, we made it here in McKinleyville. I'm gonna stay here for probably a day or two to look around and make videos and stuff. Yeah, I just got down from the mountains, and it was raining there so much. It was crazy, but it was beautiful there. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. This is Mil, and I'll keep making more videos to keep my, keep an update. Stay awesome. Bye.